In this video, we are going to discuss the Building tab, which will be located next to the General tab. To access the Building tab, make sure the structure type under the General tab is set to Building. The building type refers to the building's ability to contain internal pressure. Refer to ASCE 7 for detailed definitions of each building type. The open building applies to buildings with walls at least 80% open, and this option is frequently used for carports, freestanding canopies, or other similar structures. At the bottom of the list is a selection for L-shaped buildings, which is an option that is available to pro users and above to more easily model a building that is shaped like an L. For our example, we will select the building type as enclosed. Now we select the roof type. There are several types of roofs included in the drop-down, and we will select the type of roof that most closely matches the roof being represented. The selection of building type and roof type have other ramifications to previous selections that we made on the General tab. We previously selected MWFRS type and C&C type, and the types selected have certain requirements for building type and roof type. It is possible that the selection that we originally made is no longer being met because of our entries. This can be determined by going back to the General tab, and if either of the MWFRS or C&C buttons are red, which indicates that all of the requirements are not being met, we would then have to click the red button and determine which requirement is not being met and then resolve the situation.